So let's just start off by creating a database. If you type into your search bar localhost /php myadmin, you will get here. Okay, and actually creating a database is really easy. You can just type the name of the database here and press create, and it will create the database that will show up right here or right here. But I like to create it with the command line, because that's what you guys will most be doing in your apps. Okay, so let's just start doing that, and it's actually really easy. Just type create database, which is of course reserved words obviously, and the name of your database. Let's just say blog and semicolon, and you press go, and here it is. Our database is completely empty, and if you want to drop it, you just type drop database block, and this will drop the database. Let's just see finished. And that's it for this video.